Hello everyone. So today we are here to learn synonyms. This is the first class on vocabulary. When we are going to study vocabulary, we need to know what is synonym, what is antonym, and what is homonym. In the further lectures, we will discuss about antonym and homonym, but today we will deal with synonyms only. So these are words, vocabulary you need to increase your word stock, right? We all need to do that. For that we need to know synonyms of the words, antonyms, and of course we need to know the homonyms, the meanings of different words that sound same. Okay, now let us start with synonyms. First of all, let us see what is a synonym. Synonym is a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. For example, shut is a synonym of close. It means there are two words, they have similar or same meaning and it is in the same language. So here are a few examples. I have given a list of synonyms here and please to remember this list because we need to remember this for our conversation in daily life and of course for our exam too. So first the word is abate. The synonym of abate is moderate, decrease. Adhere, synonym comply, observe. Abolish, synonym abrogate, annual. Acumen, synonym awareness, brilliance. Abash, synonym disconcert, rattle. Absolve, synonym pardon, forgive. Absolve, synonym pardon, forgive. Abjure, synonym forsake, renounce. Abject, synonym despicable, servile. Abound, synonym flourish, proliferate. Abortive, synonym vain, unproductive. Acrimony, synonyms harshness, bitterness. Accord, synonym agreement, harmony. So when we are looking at the synonyms of the word, we are actually getting the meaning of the same word. So I hope you all are understanding these words. Next comes adjunct, synonym joint, added. Adversity, synonym misfortune, calamity. Adherent, synonym follower, disciple. Adamant, synonym stubborn, inflexible. Admonish, synonym counsel, reprove. Allay, synonym pacify, soothe. Alien, synonym foreigner, outsider. Ascent, synonym climb, escalate. So you all know the word escalator, right? Escalator, the word has come from escalate. Alleviate, synonym abate, relieve. Allure, synonym entice, passionate. Arraign, synonym incriminate, indict. Amplify, synonym augment, deepen. Axiom, synonym adase, treason. Audacity, synonym boldness, courage. Next comes bind, synonym predicament. Betty, synonym insane, silly. Benevolent, synonym benign, generous. Befogged, synonym becloud, dim. Base, synonym vulgar, coarse. Benign, synonym favorable, friendly. Busy, synonym active, engaged. Bleak, synonym austere, blank. Bold, synonym adventurous. Boisterous, synonym clamorous, rowdy. Blunt, synonym dull, insensitive. Careless, synonym obdurate, unfeeling. Capable, synonym competent, able. Calamity, synonym adversity, misfortune. Calculating synonym canny, devious. Gracious synonym courteous, beneficent. Guile synonym cunning, deceit. Grudge synonym hatred, aversion. Genuine synonym absolute, factual. Generosity synonym altruism, bounty. Glory synonym dignity, renown. Gloomy synonym bleak, cloudy. Harass synonym irritate, molest. Hamper synonym retard, prevent. Hazard synonym peril, danger. Hapless synonym unfortunate, ill-fated. Haughty synonym arrogant, pompous. Hideous synonym frightful, shocking. Next comes immense synonym huge, enormous. Immaculate synonym insolent, spotless. Imminent synonym impending, brewing. Immerse synonym submerge, involve. Impair synonym diminish, deteriorate. Immunity synonym prerogative, privilege. Impediment, hurdle, obstruction. Impartial synonym just, unbiased. Impute synonym attribute, ascribe. Impious synonym irreligious, unholy. Incompetent synonym inefficient, unskilled. Kindred synonym relation, species. Keen synonym sharp, poignant. Nail synonym death nail, dust blow. Lax synonym slack, careless. Lavish synonym abundant, excessive. Liable synonym accountable, bound. Lenient synonym compassionate, merciful. Lucid synonym sound, rational. Lure attract, entice. Linger synonym loiter, prolong. Liberal synonym magnanimous. Let us see what is an antonym. An antonym is a word opposite in meaning to another. For example, bad and good. So, bad is the opposite of good. So, here are some examples of antonyms. We need to know this to increase our vocabulary, that means our word stock. So, if we know more and more words, if we know more of the opposites, then it becomes easier for us to speak and to write too. So here we'll just see what are the words. Abate, the opposite of abate is aggravate. Adhere, opposite is condemn or disjoin. Abolish, set up or establish. Acumen, antonym is stupidity or ignorance. Abash, antonym uphold or discompose. Absolve, antonym compel or accuse. Abjure, antonym approve or sanction. Abject, antonym commendable or praiseworthy. Abound, deficient, destitute. Abortive, productive. Acrimony, antonym courtesy, benevolence. Accord, the antonym of accord is discord. Adjunct, antonym is separated or subtracted. Adversity, prosperity or fortune. Adherent, antonym rival, adversary. Adamant, antonym flexible, soft. Admonish, antonym approve, applaud. Allay, antonym aggravate, excite. Alien, antonym native, resident. Ascent, antonym descent, decline. The antonym of alleviate, aggravate, enhance. The antonym of allure, repulse, repel. The antonym of arraign, exculpate, pardon. The antonym of amplify, listen, contract. The antonym of axiom, absurdity, blunder. Audacity, antonym mildness, cowardice. Now do remember antonyms When we talk about antonyms, they are opposite words. Don't forget that, because what we learned in synonym was similar meaning, right? And I hope you have already recognized the words we studied for synonyms, like the synonyms of the words we studied. Here again we have the same words, we are studying the antonyms of those words. So you already know the meaning of those words, that's why I am not telling you the meaning, because when we learn synonyms, we already got the meaning of those words. Bind, release, batty, send, benevolent, antonym malevolent, miserly, befogged, clear-headed, uncloud, base, summit, noble, benign, malignant, cruel, busy, idle. This is not ideal, okay? Idle, lazy, bleak, bright, cheerful, bold, timid, boisterous, placid, calm, blunt, keen, sharp, callous, compassionate, tender, capable, incompetent, inept, calamity, fortune, calculating, artless, or honest. Then gracious, antonym rude, unforgiving, guile, antonym honesty, frankness, grudge, antonym benevolence, affection, genuine, antonym spurious, generosity, antonym stinginess, greed, glory, antonym shame, disgrace, gloomy, antonym gay, bright, harass, antonym assist, comfort, hamper, antonym promote, facilitate, hazard, antonym conviction, security, hapless, antonym fortunate, lucky, haughty, antonym humble, submissive, hideous, antonym attractive, alluring. Again, there are some words. Immense, antonym funny, insignificant. Immaculate, antonym defiled, tarnished. Imminent, antonym distant, receding. Immerse, antonym emerge, uncover. Impair, antonym restore, revive. Immunity, antonym blame, censure. Impediment, antonym assistant, concurrence. Impartial, antonym prejudiced, biased. Impute, antonym exculpate, support. Impious, antonym pious, devote. It is called devote, okay? Incompetent, antonym dexterous, skilled. Kindred, antonym unrelated, dissimilar. Keen, antonym vapid, insipid. Nil, antonym reconstruction, rediscovery. Lax, antonym firm, reliable. Lavish, antonym scarce, deficient. Liable, antonym unaccountable, apt to. Lenient, antonym cruel, severe. Lucid, antonym obscure, hidden. Lure, antonym repel, dissuade. Linger, antonym hasten, quicken. Liberal, antonym stingy, malicious. So, please go through this, and for exam purpose too, try to remember the words that I have told you just now, the words we have done in this video. So please try to do this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I hope you have understood what antonyms are. Antonyms are opposite words and synonyms are similar words. We have already done in the previous video about on synonyms, and this is what antonym is. So do one thing, try to remember whatever is there in this video, because this is going to help you in your exam and of course in your spoken English too. Thank you.